Okay, I'll hold it and you peel it. What are we making for dinner?
Chicken and this potato and sauce.
With lemon?
Lemon sauce.
Making lemon chicken and potato.
Yeah.
You're so helpful. You know that?
Yeah.
So, Mommy is 39 weeks pregnant, and your baby brother is due in 4 days. You know that? Are you going to teach him how to cook?
Yeah. I put it in the garbage.
Yep, your whole thing here.
That's the big one.
Whoa!
The big one?
Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Here.
Whoa! Feel.
Wow. So we put them to the side and save it for later. Good. 2 green. What is this one? Cumin?
Yeah.
How do you say that?
Cumin. Ooh.
Let's do 2 of these.
Yellow.
2 yellow. All done.
Ow.
1. Yeah. Pepper.
Not spicy.
Okay.
Now mix.
Now mix it, please.
Okay.
Good job.
Clean?
Yeah, it looks clean to me. How about you? Does it look clean?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Small?
Now, watch Mommy.
What do you have?
No. Okay. Keep your fingers away from the knife. Back and forth, back and forth.
Writing the potatoes.
You're lining up the potatoes?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you.
Custard.
We're going to do one by one. Are you going to eat this with Mommy and Abba?
No, yeah.
Why?
It's raw.
Don't touch. No, when it's cooked, are you going to eat it?
Raw chicken.
It is raw chicken, yeah.
It's egg. No, eat it in the bowl.
Does it mix well?
Yeah. Ready?
Very good. Ready, done.
Yay! Mix it.
Yum. Okay, now we need parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper.
Whoa! What? That's what?
Where should I put this one?
In here.
What about this one?
In here. No, in the here.
Want to hold my hand? So I squeeze and turn. Squeeze and turn. See all the seeds?
Yeah.
So we use this to separate the seeds from the juice because you don't want to eat seeds. Yuck, right? They're like pits.
Yes, with biscuit.
Okay, pour that into here. All done.
Oh, good.
We're making the lemon juice. So we're gonna put in the chicken. So we're doing lemon juice, olive oil, and garlic, right? All done. Pour. We put garlic in it. No, no, no. We have to mince it first.
Put them in here.